Hi, thanks for joining me on this video of Easy English Channel. Today we'll talk about the terms which are used in books and they provide all the information about books. So people who love to read books and even those who read regularly should know the basic terminologies used in books. You have to figure out all the information about the books. This will help you out to get the entire scenario of the book. So let's begin with today's video. Appendix. Appendix refers to the additional or supplementary material provided generally at the end of a book. The appendix are articles, documents, or other reference text in general. These are usually of a statistical, explanatory, or many also be bibliographic nature. Fly title or bastard title. The page which carries just the title of the book, usually preceding the title page, is known as bastard title. The bastard title is also known as mock title or fly title. Dedication page. This page has the name of the person to whom the book is dedicated to. The dedication page is usually placed after the title page on the recto right page. So dedication page is a page which provides the information about the person to whom the book is dedicated. Generally people dedicate their books to their mother, to their father, or to their grandparents. So these things are mentioned on dedicated page. Preface or foreword. This page is an introductory statement given by the author to the book or literary work. On the contrary, an introductory essay given by some other person is referred to as foreword, which is placed preceding the author's preface. So this page provides you gist of book. By reading preface, you can understand the introduction of the book or the small information about the book. Acknowledgement. Acknowledgement is basically thanking people who assisted and giving them credits for their contributions to the book. An acknowledgement page is placed generally include in the front of the book after the inside cover page and the copyright information page. So acknowledgement is the page which shows the names of the people to whom the author has thanked for their contributions and for their inputs in the book. Blurb. Blurb is referred to as comment from a review, which is often given by another author praising the book. Blurb is basically a promotional description printed on the book jackets. So blurb is kind of a marketing tool which helps the bookseller to sell the book. It is the some kind of comment which is given by the another author on the particular book, and it is printed at the back of the book. Limited edition. When a book public when books publications is restricted or purpose to comparably small number of copies, then the book is known as limited edition book. These books are usually numbered and often signed by the author or illustrator. So limited edition is a edition of the book which has got some limited number of copies which has been signed by the author for the readers, and they are very less in number. Copyright page. Copyright page is information page which includes the ISBN, copyright information, publishing information, and sometimes a disclaimer too. You can see on the screen as well, I have input the picture of copyright page. So copyright page has got various information like copyright information, ISBN, publishing information, and sometimes a disclaimer too. Frontispiece. It is also known as frontispiece as an illustration at the beginning of a book. The frontispiece usually faces the title page. Title page. A title page is placed at the beginning of the book which lists the title and subtitle of the book, authors, editors or contributors, the publishers or printers, and sometimes the place and the date of publications as well. The title page information is only used for cataloging. So thanks for watching this video, friends. I hope you have got the information about the terms which are used in books. Now next time when you read any book, try to figure out these terms and see whether these informations are available in the books or not. And this will help you out to get the full information about the book and describe the book as well. Because nowadays in interviews, they ask sometime like questions like this, like what are your hobbies? And if you say my hobbies are reading books or playing games, so in this question they may ask you, tell me what is acknowledgement, what is blurb, what is dedication page. So you should have these kinds of information about the book before reading it. So I hope you have liked this video. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get latest videos on your screen. Till then, bye bye. Have a nice Sunday.